Hi, today we will understand if and else condition in Java. So this is my main method and here we will write a code to understand if and else condition. So I have a variable age and its value is 20. Just type if the block, if the condition is true, right? So age is greater than 18, this block will run, right? So we will show the message to the user system.out.println, and here age is greater than 18, and we know age is absolutely greater than 20 greater than 18, right? Because our age is 20, right? So let's run and you can see age is greater than 18, right? And let's put it at 17, and this condition is false because age is 17 and we have age, we put the condition age is greater than 18. If the condition is false, else block will run, right? So here we will also write a code, right? For understanding code, write a comment code. If condition is false, here this code whatever we will write here will run, right? So at this time the age is less than 18 because our age is 17, right? You know that. So let's run it again, and age is less than 18, right? So it's pretty easy to understand if and else condition, right? Age is 21 and you can see age is greater than 18 because our age is 21, right? So let's remove and understand using another example, right? So I have variable number is 20, right? And if and else condition, if and else we will get the even and odd number. So if the number and this percent sign is called modulus operator, right? It will give a reminder, right, of any number. So if uh, the number is even, right, this block will run, right? So just copy and paste it here, and here if any number is not it's a not reminder is 0, it will odd number, right? So you can see just type 21 and just run, and this is the odd number because 21 is odd. So let's change 25 and this is the odd number. So let's change 26 and this is the even number, right? So just remember that modulus operator. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions and doubt, please write a